Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, now the cleaning is done, but before we start putting it back, we're gonna make a template for the new heat shield. So it's basically, since it's square and straight lines, it's just to add papers. Yeah, so there we have it. Yeah, the battery did run out in the camera and I didn't notice, but yeah, now it's back together. And tomorrow we're gonna take the template, go to my dad's workshop and cut some aluminium plates that we're gonna use at heat shields. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah, then drill a hole for the hinge bolt, tap a guiding hole, yeah, so right now I have turned the oven on and put it on full. So we're gonna get it up to temperature and then we're gonna check the sides with my heat camera and then also, burn off some residue of cleaning stuff so we don't get any smells or something from something. So yeah, burn it off and see if my heat shields on the sides make some difference. So see you in a bit. Yeah, and as you saw, I did replace and even add some insulation here and there, and yeah, it has done a really amount of difference after just 15-20 minutes something. There is 180 degrees Celsius inside the oven. So that's really fast, at least compared to it was before. Yeah, so now we're gonna do a check with my heat camera and see what's what on the sides. Yeah, so now it's been running on full for about 45 minutes. And right now it's about 290 degrees inside. So now we're gonna do a new check with the heat camera. And yeah, it's been running for basically an hour. So everything that's going to be hot are hot. So let's see. Let's see here on the side. The hottest place it's there, 40 degrees. That's just because that one is flapping down, so do like that. And then it goes down, so 32-ish. Yep, it's about the same all the way around, so yeah, it works great. We have went from above 120 degrees on the outside to 30-40, hand warm, you can still touch it. So that had reduced the fire damaging and heat hazards and stuff like that to basically zero, at least like it was before. Yeah, so the next time we're gonna look on the oven, then we're gonna bake something in it. Yeah, now we're gonna bake a fruit pie, and I'm actually gonna do two. one in this oven and one in the oven in the kitchen. I forgot that the pies actually need to be made first, and Sandra didn't have the time to do it, so I went up to do them. But that's just a good thing, because right now I know which setting is keeping the oven up to the right temperature, and for this pie it's 175 degrees Celsius. So we have a time when we started it, we have the times when it was up to temperature, and we're gonna start the clock, and we're gonna throw them in at the same time, and then we're gonna stop the clock when they are ready. So let's throw them in the ovens. So yeah, let's see what the final result's gonna be. So I'm gonna leave this over to Sandra, because I'm not gonna decide when it's finished. She's gonna do it. So yeah, see you when the pies are finished, and we will check the times. Yeah, last time I was watching bold thermometer in the oven. It's not correct. So now we are gonna do this again. I've checked the temperature inside with an external thermometer. So now I know the difference on the original thermometer. So now it's time to throw it in the oven.
Sätta in den. Ja, jag börjar sätta in den. Får jag sätta in den?
Ja, den är tung. Du kan släppa mig. Akta nu, nu är det sketvarmt. Allting här.
Jag kastar den.
Yeah, so now it's in. Now it's just to see which time it's cooking this pie, so I'll be back. Yeah, now it should be done, so let's have a look. Yeah, it's done. So now check the time. I will compare it to the time that it took in the oven upstairs. So see you then. Yeah, and as you saw in the video, it took about half an hour longer in the Origo oven. I checked it with meat methometer in the oven. It will take longer than in a conventional household oven, but yeah, even if it takes half an hour longer, it's, yeah, when we are out on the sea, we are never rushing, just having a good time, relaxing. So yeah, put it in the oven and just let it be there until it's done. We have a lot of practicing with this oven until we know it. You know which settings keeps which temperatures and stuff like that. So it's a learning curve. Let's say a fruit pie takes 10-15 minutes longer than in a household oven, when you know the oven, how it works and which setting is what, and the actual temperature inside the oven. We didn't do that, we didn't know that, so it took half an hour later. Next time we talk about the oven is when we are putting it in the boat, and that's gonna be a while, because I have to replace the exhaust, put the doghouse back together, make a new captain chair mount, finish the aft cabin, remodel the head, the toilet and shower inside. So yeah, and I'm also gonna start making the templates for the new soft top. before that, and hopefully even make the new soft top before we put Valven in the boat. So that's as usual. If you don't already haven't, subscribe to the channel. If you want to support the channel, down in the video description is a couple of the support links. There is an Amazon wishlist. It works like you click the link, you add one or more items in your basket and buy it, just like you buy stuff for yourself, but the items end up at my place. And then there are a PayPal account and a Patreon account. So if you want, check those out. If you don't, that's fine. Like and subscribe. See you next time.